Welcome back to Crazy Greens, guys. Guess what? I won't be cooking today, but today is your day. Yes, thank you so much for the love and the support you guys have been showing me since I've started until now. I have shared with you 10 fantastic recipes, and a lot of you have been sharing my videos, commenting every week, liking, even preparing my meals. And I just want to show you how much I appreciate all the support and all the love. First, I want to start off by picking up my editor, Jason Annaford. Yes, every week he goes the extra mile to make sure you guys get fantastic videos. So just enjoy this video and continue to support. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Jason Hanniford. I'm the video editor slash the producer for Crazy Greens. Thank you guys for the love and support that you guys have been giving us. Kelly is going to be telling you guys more about some new aspects to Crazy Greens, some new ventures or new platforms that we'll be on. Don't forget to go over there and like us, follow us on the platform, enjoy the content that we have for you guys, and just share it with a family member and have fun. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support.
So there you have it, guys. Again, I want to thank you so much for the love and the support. Crazy Greens is here, and Crazy Greens is here to stay. I also have an Instagram page. If you're not following on my Instagram page, go ahead and give me a follow. I am working on setting up a TikTok page. There I'll be sharing with you everything that goes wrong when I'm creating these videos. I will also put in, you know, some little clips of videos as well. And here on YouTube, you know, every Thursday I'll be posting a recipe. I'm also coming in with some little short clips, some educational stuff. So if you're into like health and you want to know good ways to eat, healthy lifestyle stuff, I'll be posting some little short 1-2 minute videos. You can check them out. Make sure you hit that bell so that whenever I post a new video you will see it. And the next time I'm giving giveaways, guys, it's going to be a live. I'm thinking about sometime in the second week of August this year 2020, so look out for it. Make sure that you're following me on all platforms because the gifts for the giveaways, guys, is going to be based on questions from my videos on all platforms. So thanks again for the support. Continue to support and see you next week with another crazy idea. Mwah.